Hello, dear friends. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. A world of enchanting blossoms and elegance with our latest video. Elegance in bloom, luxury, stylish, floral summer nail art designs. So, guys, celebrate the beauty of summer with a collection of stunning and sophisticated floral nail art that will elevate your manicure game to new heights. So, dear friends, join us and grab your favorite nail polishes and brushes. Hit that play button and get ready to embark on a journey of creativity and style with our luxury stylish floral summer nail art designs. So, dear friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more breathtaking nail art content. Happy paintings! Dear friends, whether it's a day at the beach, or a garden party or a romantic date night, these luxurious floral nail art designs will effortlessly complement any occasions. Embrace the joy of the self-expressions and immerse yourself in a world of timeless elegance with our Elegance in Bloom video. So guys, join me on this blooming journey as I inspire you with a gallery of luxury floral nail art that will leave you awestruck. Experience the satisfaction of adoring your nails with variable masterpieces that evoke the senses of summer, turning heads and sparking conversations where you go. So, dear friends, share my videos and subscribe my channel for get new and stylish ideas. So guys, you are an experienced and very nail paint lover, then this video is for you. And it is not just about the artistic process. Elegance in Bloom also emphasizes the significance of self-care and taking time for yourself. Indulge in the calming experience of designing your nails with an artistic touch, a rewarding activity that allows you to unwind and express your individual styles. So pick the unique ideas from this video and enhance your beauty of your personality and boost up your confidence. By this video, dear viewers, you can discover a delightful mix of soft pastels, vibrant and unique glittery accents, all inspired by the vibrant colors of the summer seasons. So this video is for you and unique ideas is for you. If you are floral nail art designs lovers, so this video is for you and become very helpful for you. So pick up the ideas and enhance your beauty. Please share my videos, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.